Cat, Scuba Cat by James Dean. Pete the cat is excited. He's going scuba diving. Pete puts on a mask and fins. He has a tank full of air. He hopes to see lots of fish. If you're lucky, you might see a seahorse, says Captain Joe. A seahorse? Says Pete. I can't wait. I never saw one before. Their ridges look like horse mane, says Captain Joe. Groovy, says Pete. Pete jumps into the water. Splash! Down, down, down he goes. Up, up, up go the bubbles. Pete looks for a seahorse. He sees a swordfish. Pete swims out of its way. Pete waves to a stingray. It has a long, skinny tail. That's not a seahorse, thinks Pete. Pete looks high and low for the seahorse. Then he feels a tickle. Pete sees a school of fish. They all look alike, except for one. It puffs up. It's a blowfish. It is not a seahorse. Where could one be? Pete looks in the rocks. What's that? It's an octopus. It has 8 legs. It's not a seahorse. Look, this is a very purple octopus. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 legs. Pete feels a tickle. What could it be? Pete turns. He sees a cave. Is the seahorse inside? The seahorse is not inside. It's following him on every page. Is there a seahorse inside? Pete sees a crab with claws. And a seahorse doesn't have claws, Pete thinks. This cave is getting darker. Pete feels a tickle. Then Pete sees an eel. Pete swims past it. It's too long to be a seahorse. Oh no, it's too dark to see. How will Pete get out? Pete sees a jellyfish. It glows in the dark. Pete is almost out of a cave. Out of the cave. He sees an anglefish. It is very colorful. Pete is out of the cave. So why is it so dark? Pete is in a shadow. He's in the shadow of a whale. Yikes! Pete wishes he could jump on a seahorse and ride away. Pete hops on a sea turtle instead. It takes him to the boat. Pete did not see a seahorse. I did not see a seahorse, thinks Pete. He feels a tickle on his tail. A seahorse, cries Pete. What a surprise! You were with me all along, says Pete. What a cool adventure. The end. What's your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is where Pete the cat went into a cave and the jellyfish lighted his way through the cave. The jellyfishes look so yellow. This book is Pete the Cat Screams for Ice Cream by Kimberly and James Dean. Today, limited time. Today's the coolest day. The Just Chillin' ice cream truck is coming. Wow! And Pete can't wait. Ice cream, so many flavors. Like rocking raspberry, Far Out Fudge, and Tabby Twirl. Cotton Candy, Kitty Paw Tracks, and Rainbow Swirl. Let's Go Bananas, Unicorn Blast. And Sprinkles Galore. There's gotta be a million flavors and maybe more. Pete can't wait, and he can't be late. What ice cream flavor would you want? I think I would like cotton candy. Hey, Pete, what's your hurry? Asked Gus. I don't have time to play. Just Chillin' Ice Cream Truck is coming today. I can't wait, and it's getting late. Oh no, Gus looks so lonely. Can Pete make it in time? Yes! Wow! Being a friend is groovy, and Pete knows it's cool to be kind. Pete stops. He and Gus have a nice chat. Thanks, Pete. You're one kind cat. Aww. Pete, what's your hurry? Asked Grumpy Toad. Sorry, I have to be on my way. Just Chillin' Ice Cream Truck is coming today. I can't wait, and it's getting late. Today, 9 to 3. Oh no, Grumpy looks frustrated. Can Pete make it in time? Yes! Lending a hand is sweet. And Pete knows it's cool to be kind. Wow! They fixed the flat. Thanks, Pete. You're one kind cat. Hey, Pete, what's your hurry? Asked Callie. It's a shame I can't stay. Just Chillin' Ice Cream Truck is coming today. I can't wait, and it's getting late. Oh no! The park is a mess. Can Pete make the time? Yes! Working together rocks. And Pete knows it's cool to be kind. Awesome! Pete and Callie cleaned the park just like that. Yay! Thanks, Pete. You're one kind cat. Oh no! Pete checks his watch. He did run out of time. But then he sees the clean park, Grumpy riding his motorcycle, and Gus with a smile. Today is the coolest day. Pete is glad he took the time. And then, to Pete's surprise, the Just Chillin' Ice Cream Truck came driving on by. Just chillin', groovy. Stay cool, cats. Pete screams for ice cream. One scoop, 2 scoops, 3. More scoops until... Oh no! Brain freeze! Ice creams are cool, but what's cooler than that? Taking your time to be one kind cat. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is when Pete shares his ice cream with Gus when Gus drops his. And remember, it's always cool to be kind. Thank you for reading with me.